So this is the dentate line here. This is the internal hemorrhoid, proximal to the dentate line, distal to the dentate line. This is the external hemorrhoid.
So this was the second time I have come to this academy for this thing. I had many doubts in spite of doing surgery for many cases, but still I had here and there some doubts which I got an opportunity to clear off all the doubts.
I attended both Laser Proctology and Laser EVLA. So it is a good conducted program, managed program, and both the sirs that has come are experienced. They give all the details and answered our questions. It is a good program for us beginners to think and start about laser.